I tell you what, Taco, besides being bad, what else can you do?
Well, I can do bird and animal imitations.
Bird and animal imitations. Now this is really cool. He is going to imitate either a bird or an animal, and your job is to try to guess what bird or animal he's imitating. All right? Now you don't have to raise your hands. If you know what he's imitating, just scream it out. Okay, Taco, why don't we do a real easy one to start?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay, first one.
Meow.
Okay, you can just yell it out, honey. You don't have to raise your hand. Cat, right?
Yeah, you're a cat.
All right, you ready for the next one, Taco?
Yeah.
Man, y'all got it perfectly. Okay, Taco, how about another one? You ready? How about some type of a bird?
Okay. Quack, 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 quack.
A duck, huh?
Yeah, duck.
Okay. How about another animal?
Okay.
Fantastic. You all are doing great. How about another animal, Taco?
Okay.
Man, fantastic. Y'all must practice this, huh? Do y'all practice this? No? Okay. Hey, I know what. I guess it's living out in the country, huh? How about another animal, Taco?
Okay. Oink, 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 oink.
Super fantastic. Let's see. How about a? Well, this might be a hard one, but.
Okay.
An owl, huh? Man. Okay, Taco, how about another, now this is a hard one. I'm gonna give you a hint. Do the bird, okay? Now this is a bird that's generally black, all right? Here we go. You got it. Oh man, fantastic. How about another bird, Taco? Now this is a really hard one, okay? Here we go. What was that, Taco?
That is a hummingbird.
A hummingbird.
Hey, do you know why hummingbirds hum?
Why do hummingbirds hum? I don't know, Taco. Why is that?
Because they don't know the words to songs, so they hum. But I do. Who would like to hear me sing a song?
Who would like to hear Taco sing?